What if you could tell Claude to create a low poly dungeon with a dragon guarding gold, and it builds the entire 3D scene in Blender for you? That's BlenderMCP, 19,000 GitHub stars. And it turns Claude into a 3D artist that controls Blender through natural language. BlenderMCP is an open-source integration created by Siddharth Ahuja that connects Blender 3D to Claude AI through the Model Context Protocol. It's a two-component system, a Blender add-on that creates a socket server inside Blender, and an MCP server that bridges Claude to that socket. When connected, Claude can directly create and modify 3D objects, apply materials and colors, set up lighting, position cameras, download assets from Polyhaven, generate 3D models with Hyper-3D, and even execute arbitrary Python code inside Blender. It works with Claude Desktop, Cursor, VS Code, and Claude Code CLI. The key insight is that you interact with Blender the way you'd describe a scene to a colleague, create a sphere above the cube, make the car red and metallic, point the camera isometrically. And Claude translates that into Blender operations automatically. Here's what you can actually ask Claude to do in Blender. Create a low poly dungeon scene with a dragon guarding gold. Create a beach vibe using HDR eyes, textures, rocks, and vegetation from Polyhaven. Generate a 3D garden gnome using Hyper-3D. Make this car red and metallic. Create a sphere and place it above the cube. Design studio-style lighting. Point the camera isometrically at the scene. Each of these prompts triggers Claude to execute the corresponding Blender Python commands, creating geometry, applying materials, setting render properties, and positioning the camera. You just describe what you want, and Claude figures out the Blender operations to make it happen. Let's look at the repo. 19,100 stars and 1,800 forks make BlenderMCP one of the most popular MCP integrations in the entire ecosystem. The codebase is pure Python. The add-on script and the MCP server. The README walks through installation for every supported platform: Claude Desktop, Cursor on Mac and Windows, VS Code, and Claude Code CLI. There's a Polyhaven API integration for downloading production-quality assets, Hyper-3D Rodin for AI-generated 3D models, and viewport screenshot support so Claude can actually see the scene it's working on. Version 1.5.5 is the latest, with 139 commits showing active development. The MIT license makes it freely usable in any context. The architecture is elegantly simple, but remarkably powerful. The Blender add-on creates a TCP socket server on port 9876 inside Blender. The port is customizable through the Blender port environment variable for setups where the default conflicts. The MCP server connects to that socket and exposes Blender's full capabilities as MCP tools that Claude can call during any conversation. When you ask Claude to create a red metallic sphere, Claude calls the appropriate MCP tool, which sends a JSON-formatted message through the socket to Blender, which executes the corresponding Python command in Blender's scripting environment. The communication is fully bidirectional. Claude can also query the scene to understand what objects, materials, and lighting already exist before making any modifications. This means Claude builds on your existing work rather than starting from scratch each time. The viewport screenshot feature is what makes this feel truly intelligent. Claude can actually see the rendered view of your scene, which means it can make aesthetic decisions about lighting placement, composition, color harmony, and camera angles that go beyond blind parameter manipulation. It's the difference between a tool that follows instructions and one that understands what it's building. The Execute Blender code tool is the most powerful and most dangerous. It lets Claude write and run arbitrary Python code inside Blender's full scripting environment, which means anything Blender can do programmatically, Claude can do through natural language. Save your work before using this one. BlenderMCP integrates 3 external asset sources that dramatically expand what Claude can build beyond basic geometric primitives. Polyhaven provides production-quality HDRIs for photorealistic environment lighting, physically based rendering textures for realistic surfaces and materials, and fully modeled 3D assets, all completely free under Creative Commons Zero licensing, meaning you can use them in any project, including commercial work, without attribution. Tell Claude to create a beach environment, and it searches Polyhaven's catalog, downloads the most appropriate coastal HDRI for skylighting, applies sand and water textures to your ground plane, and places rock and vegetation models, all automatically from a single natural language request. Hyper-3D Rodin generates entirely new 3D models from text descriptions using generative AI. Tell Claude to create a garden gnome, and it sends the prompt to the Hyper-3D API, waits for the geometry to generate, downloads the resulting GLB mesh, and imports it directly into your Blender scene positioned and scaled appropriately. Sketchfab integration lets Claude search through millions of user-created and professionally scanned 3D models and download them directly into your scene. Combined, these three integrations mean Claude isn't limited to cubes, spheres, and planes. It can build genuinely complex scenes with production-quality environment lighting, realistic textures and materials, AI-generated custom models for anything you can describe, and community-created objects from one of the largest 3D model libraries in the world. All from natural language prompts that feel like talking to a set designer. Setup takes a few minutes and works across every major Claude integration. For Claude Code CLI, it's one command, Claude MCP add Blender UVX Blender MCP, and you're connected. For Claude Desktop, add the MCP server entry to your Claude desktop.config.json file with the UVX command path pointing to Blender MCP. For Cursor, the configuration goes in your MCP settings, with platform-specific paths for Mac and Windows documented in the README. Then install the Blender add-on, download add-on PI from the repository, go to Blender's Edit menu, open Preferences, navigate to Add-ons, click Install, select the downloaded file, and enable it. A new panel appears in your 3D View sidebar. Click Connect to Claude, and the socket server starts listening on port 9876. Once connected, any prompt you send to Claude that involves 3D scene creation, object manipulation, material application, or any other Blender operation will route through Blender MCP automatically. The add-on handles the entire communication layer transparently. You just talk to Claude naturally, and the 3D scene responds. If you use Blender and want to speed up scene setup, object creation, and material application, Blender MCP lets you describe what you want instead of clicking through menus. If you're learning Blender and find the interface overwhelming, Claude becomes a natural language guide that executes operations for you while you learn by watching. If you're a developer building 3D content programmatically, the Execute Blender Code tool lets Claude write Blender Python scripts from your descriptions. If you create content for games, animation, or visualization and need rapid prototyping, describing a scene in words is dramatically faster than building it by hand. And if you're exploring AI-assisted creative workflows, Blender MCP is one of the most polished examples of what happens when you give an LLM control over a professional creative tool. 19,000 stars, MIT licensed, works with every major Claude integration. That's Blender MCP, Claude as your 3D artist, controlling Blender through natural language, with 19,000 stars worth of community validation. GitHub link in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more Claude tools and creative integrations.